party people. I'm the tea party.
Good morning. It's Wednesday. This girl is determined to do all of the rest of her social studies today, which will be about 25 pages, did I say?
Less than 25.
Now it is, but it was about 25 when you first started, right? She's already dressed for acro so that we don't have to worry about that. Today, I need to run past Cato's school because we need to pick up any of his leftover desk stuff because he's done there and he won't be going back next year. He has done his work for the week. On Monday, he got up and did all of his work, but he just checks in to make sure nothing new has been posted. A little chat with his teacher, maybe connecting with friends a little bit. Starting to realize that some of those friends will not be in the same school next year either. And this girl has created a whole lineup of tables. What's your lineup of tables for?
It was gonna be meant to be after maybe I'm gonna play the princess game with our friends.
Oh, okay.
And
Tea party?
So I set up a huge table because you know that princesses in castles have big tables. So
They
I
do.
made one.
That's the truth.
So I made one.
So you made one. And what are you doing over here?
That's mostly coloring.
The fight to flourish. Oh, you're doing an awesome job. Look how cute that is.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Yeah, I made it colorful.
One of the things I've been meaning to do for the last little while is to make beignets. So Disney released their recipe for beignets. I've never made them before. I've made all sorts of different fry breads and whatnot, donuts, you name it, but I haven't made beignets before. So my goal today is to make some beignets. Just keep eating our way through isolation. I've decided to try and grow some lettuce. I did these ones a bit different. We'll see if they still grow. Apparently it'll take about 2 weeks to get a bit of a root on them, but I want to plant them and start having some of our own lettuce. If you guys have ever done this before, let me know. I'd love to know how it's worked out for you. I think that I might throw them in the backyard. I have some dirt there that we could try and grow them in. They finally came. It's funny because I kept checking and they hadn't even left the warehouse.
They've got dots.
And now all of a sudden they're here. These are fantastic. They're really light and the waistband is adjustable. They look like they're gonna fit.
These ones are really cute.
There's paper in there.
Oh.
Hopefully they're not crunchy like that. Can you imagine wearing shorts that sounded like that? Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Like you smack your legs around it.
Here, slip them on over your pants.
Fine.
How do they fit?
Oh, the tags!
All right.
My shirt?
You want to try yours on over your pants too?
No, I'm not sure.
What do you think?
Not actually using all of these.
They're nice.
Good.
Go past my age.
Now they really do. Yeah, look at that. Momentous occasion. Tegan is on the very last unit test of her social studies for the year. Woo! Oh, yay!
Like 300 pages today.
You've done a lot of
Bye.
pages today.
I can do it all the way over.
We've decided to ride bike because it's beautiful out. Tiggy's busy, so we kind of need to leave it quiet for her. And it's kind of like a last ride to school. Hey, Cato? One last chance to ride to school. It all fit in the backpack, but it's pretty heavy. Have you got it? Do you need it adjusted? You make it look so awkward.
I can move up with my foot.
Wow, that's...
Ow, my back.
She was trying to walk her bike down the hill and then I reminded her to use her brake. Starting my beignets. I hope they're as good as everyone says they are. Just got some ingredients in here. And I've got my yeast starting here. Gonna mix it all together. I've never ever made a dough that you put whipping cream in, but it's in there. And then we add boiling water. This is a very different recipe than anything I've made before. I have ruled out my beignet dough with a lot of input from other people as to how thick this actually is. It's supposed to be a 1/4 inch. I was informed it's 5/16. I thought you were having a tea party with her.
She's the snacks.
She is not the tea party girl. I'm the tea party girl.
You eat rabbits at tea parties?
They are our food. That's what Tiggy meant by a bunny tea party.
They are raising, and no, they're not in the shape of Mickey Mouse. Okay, we took her for a bike ride, and she's insane. Oh. Well, I'm glad you covered her face because I don't like it. I don't like it when my food is staring at me. First one in. What do you think? Well, Addie doesn't actually know. She just knows what the icing sugar tastes like. She's just licking off all the sugar.
It's good. It's a bite.
Is it good? Were you just licking the sugar too?
It's a little.
Just a little.
The sugar and
It's good, hey? Apparently in Disneyland they serve them with a dipping sauce.
What kind of dipping sauce?
I think there's like a caramel one and a chocolate one.
chocolate. Sounds good.
Yeah.
I'll take. Please have a chocolate one.
Should we try them when we're at Disneyland? Yeah, I agree.
Can I bring a towel? Mine is hot.
Okay. Tegan has her social studies book out here. And because she had to do it all right, she's going through and doing it all wrong. South. S-O-U-T-H.
Please don't tell them what I can do. What my hair does.
Good job.
Now I need to see another. Whoa, this is so fun! One more time.
See your ponies. You look like Pippi. Look at her braids. Wow.
Almost caught it.
You're getting high. Oh my goodness.
You can barely hear the air.
So as you can see, we pulled all of the hops and Virginia creeper out of here. And then over here we still have it growing, but it's just growing out. And then these ones have hit the top. The only thing about all of these is that they are a beast to take down in the fall, but at least all of this across here is gone, so I won't have to take those down. I've also kind of ripped out the one that's behind the barbecues there. Yesterday we got our hoists to put our kayaks up on the roof of the garage, so I am hoping that we will be able to get that done this weekend and get this stuff out of the trailer, and then I'll be able to move around in there. time for bed. Kind of flaked out on the couch tonight and just watched TV. So one of our favorite shows to watch is Life in Pieces, and they just had a new season come out on Netflix, and we just finished it tonight, which always sucks because now it's gone and we don't have anything else to watch, and it was a bit of a cliffhanger. And the other thing I'm still watching is Island of Brine, which I absolutely love. Always have wanted to go down into that area, Nassau, Bahamas, all of that. Anyway, it is late. I need to get to bed. My whole schedule seems to have shifted off here. I think we're going running with summer hours at this point. Poor Tiggy is still awake, so I have to check on her. Hopefully she goes to sleep quick. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up. If you are new here, please feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you join the Real McNeils. And make sure to hit that bell notification so you see when new vlogs are coming up. I post every day if possible. Thanks so much. See you soon.